Ghost Gang, what is good? It's your boy Sean back again. I ain't doing no intro or no outro, but I wanted to show these Air Jordan 4 Fire Red 5s that I got on the Nike Shock Drop. These do not come out until Black Friday. So if you were fortunate to hit on the Shock Drop, which everybody knew about if you was following Twitter and a couple sneaker YouTubers, then you would have known. But the great thing about this pair is that I hit and I used the military discount. So I got 20% off of that, and I want to say my total ship came to either 171 or 175. But if you guys want to know more about that, because it's sort of like a little process, because with sneakers, I don't believe they give you an option to put in, a little discount code on there or not. But I can tell you all of that. It's a little process, not too hard. But every time I hit on sneakers or if I buy with Nike, I apply the military discount, and it's only for people, that got the military discount. And it's super worth it because I'm one that's really not trying to pay retail because, I'm half in with the cars and I like shoes. So, I can't be throwing away my money, trying to help somebody else eat or whatever. But just look at them. Clean, because I am 39 years old and I do remember these coming out back in 89 when I was in elementary school. Look at that. Look at that, look at that. OG Nike Air, Fire Red. People was talking about the red on the shoe. But yeah, it's not pink or whatever colors, they was talking about. So yeah, look at them, clean. Just like Jay Cox Elementary School back in Norfolk when I first seen these. But as you can see, that's my size, size 13. Got the price on there. If you get these overseas, you won't see the price. But yeah, man, clean. OG Jordans, always a fan of the OGs, Chicago Bulls colorways. And these are just clean, super clean. OG Nike Air on the back. Look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them. But like I said, I could do another video. I'm not gonna make this one too long, because I don't really feel like editing and putting in pictures and stuff. But if you guys want to see how to get a military discount on like sneakers, because it's easy to do on the Nike website, but with sneakers, it's a little bit of a process, and I can show you guys. It's real simple, but it actually takes time, and it's like 11 something at night, and I really don't feel like doing it, but it is what it is. But if you like, comment, subscribe. Also, like I said, I'm in the shoes, but I'm not like some of your normal sneakerheads that, touch every pair. I get some here and there, I may get an exclusive access. And also, I've been working on, my Nike account, but I don't know, plenty of shoe YouTubers talk about that, but, that's not my lane. But I wouldn't mind mixing in the shoes and the, car content to give you guys something a little different. But yeah, some people know I'm in the shoes, so like I said, I'm like half and half. I'm a half into the car, half into the shoes, but I don't touch every single pair. But I got some heaters in the house that I kind of meant to put on IG, but I didn't. Lazy, caught up with with this class I got to take. But yeah, look at that. One last look before I let you guys go. But yeah, these don't come out till next month, November 28th. So I got these a whole 30 days early. Got to dress it up, put it on feet, and and rock them. Is it a double up? I don't know. I doubt it. But I just needed, one pair because I keep mine crispy. But you know, if you guys want to see how to do the military discount, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll hook you up on the next one. Peace.